Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today topic is what are the languages of Austria in 2021. Austria, the landlocked Central European nation of Austria, formerly the Republic of Austria, is home an interesting combination of dialects. It is home to very nearly 9 lakhs individual, a considerable lots of whom communicate in the country's true language, German. Numerous Austrian additionally talk at least one Austro Bavarian lingos as we investigate in detail beneath. Practically the entirety of Austria populace 98% communicate in German, making it in a pragmatic most widely used language, just as the country true language. Notwithstanding German, Austria is home to around 7 lakh speakers to Austria Bavarian, a gathering of Upper German dialects that are spoken the nation over, except for the government territory of Vorarlberg and the few spaces of Tyrol's Ruhr district. In those areas, occupation utilize a Alemannic tongue, all things being equal. Austria is the home of around 3,300 Alemannic speakers altogether. The official languages of Austria. An assessment of the authority dialects of Austria does not take excessively long. In fact, the nation just has gone. German, Netherlands, Austria is additionally home to two huge, however informal dialects, Austro-Bavarian and Alemannic. Accordingly, no conversation of the languages of Austria would be finished without conversation of each of three. Number one is German. What are the languages of Austria? In true terms, it is German. The German expressed in Austria various of standards German have been impacted by the Austro-Bavarian in case the two dialect Austrian and Standard German, which is are the common understandable to great extent at any rate. The German verbally expressed there has a lots about it can demonstrate confusing to the individuals who speak standard German from the highlight to a portion of the jargon, such as contemplation are significant for those giving German to English interpretation administration according to German in Australia and the other way around the languages matching. While standard German speaker could possibly wade through a local Austrian German speaker will have a vastly improved potential for successes of creating an excellent interpretation. Austria semantic history is connected to its political history. Similarly to the case of such countless nations, part of the Holy Roman Empire until 1806, Austria at the point turned out to be essential for German Confederation. Austro-Bavarian. With 13 million speakers altogether, Austro-Bavarian can be here the German province of Bavaria in Switzerland, in Italy, and in Hungary, just as Austria in Austria. It has more than 7 lakh speakers. The language began with the Bavarian and the Germanic clan with a duchy that spread from current Bavaria to a part of Austria in the early Middle Age. Alemannic. One more of the informal dialect of Austria Alemannic is spoken around the 3 lakhs of the nation occupants. The language is slight from the Alemanni, an assortment of Germanic clans from the bank of the Upper Rhine, and it is spoken in Switzerland, Germany, Liechtenstein, France, Italy, and the US and Venezuela. Notwithstanding Austria altogether, Alemannic has around 10 million speakers, however, just a little label of live in Austria. I hope guys this information is beneficially for you. If it is so, you are liking the video, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you will get the notification very first whenever we will upload any video for the same. And for more detail, you can also visit to our company website. Company name is same 24/7 offshoring.com. Thanks for the watching.